Welcome back to Mr. I Weather Day. So we're going to have a look at the live weather first and the precipitation over the next days and the GFS to see what's going on with this hurricane. As it looks like this hurricane just probably would give us some more wet and windy conditions, worse than usual. So having a look at today, it's not been too bad actually. I'm looking out the window now. It's a bit misty, but we can see I can see a nice sunrise, so it's been a little bit clearer. So not many precipitation around, except a few in the far north, in Inverness. Otherwise, it's not going to be too bad. It'll be quite sunny today, with not many cloud, at least in most areas. So, have a look at the temperatures. It probably will just get to 15 to 17 degrees again. Again, not too warm, not too cold. So quite a nice day today. So looking at the hurricane tracker, it has finally said maybe where it's going to go. Still a little bit of uncertainty. It's going to wash off on the south coast of England as an ex-hurricane, 50 miles per hour, around about here. So we'll have to see what happens here. There's still a very strong range of uncertainty as the hurricane is still far away. It's still a category 4 hurricane that is 130 miles, which is in the middle of the North Atlantic and will be weakening probably soon. So we'll have to see what happens. Most likely it will just give us some more wet and windy weather like it is always for October. First, look at the precipitation. Not many precipitation going around. There was a little bit more precipitation in Ireland, maybe getting to Northern Ireland at times, spilling out into western England. But on to Sunday, it's a little bit more unsettled, a bit cloudier as well, so not as nice, and a few showers developing, probably heavy showers developing in Wales, trying to move up as well into Monday. But it does kind of clear for a time on Monday morning, but then it gets a little more showery into the night. So you can see here a few more heavy showers. It's moving up to the north, probably remnants of that hurricane, with a few more scattered heavy showers in some of the east as well. So yeah, it does look a little bit showery for that, for the course of the day. So today, obviously, it's going to get to 16 degrees-ish, 17. Not too warm, not too cold. Just right, in my opinion. So, Sunday, again, we could see a 19 in the south, if we get enough sunshine on that day. Again, it's a lot warmer, well, a bit warmer. More 17 to 18 degrees is in the southeast. Have I missed a day? No, not. There we go. So, on Wednesday, it's a little bit cooler, actually. We're still seeing 17s, but there's more teens dominating, so we'll have to see what happens there. Oops. So, looking at the GFS, see what's going to go on with this hurricane. It's still a bit uncertain, but it's all that's going to happen. It might just try and give us a little bit more brief, wet, windy conditions. So, a brief area of low pressure, really. Maybe a little bit windier at times, especially in the east, and then dying off into the east with another weather pattern coming up, which might give us a little bit more colder weather at least in the far north of Scotland. We'll have to see what happens after that. But firstly, again, it doesn't look as strong as it did in a few videos ago, but still looks like it could give a few weather warnings or two for rain, of course. So we'll have to see what happens. So today I'm going to be doing my winter forecast as well. So stay tuned for that. It will be on in a few hours. So thank you very much. I'm going to see you in the next video.